Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use the review sharing feature on the Snowball platform. I will be using our demo account to walk you through how to do this. First, log into your Snowball account, then navigate to the Reviews tab on the left. Here you will see a list of all the reviews that have been posted to your bestcompany.com profile. You can use the menu at the top, the search bar, the star rating filter, and the review type filter to find the review that you would like to share. Once you have found the review, click on the social network icon in the top right-hand corner. You will notice that you can copy the link to your clipboard, allowing you to share this review with anybody, or you have 3 social media options to share the review. For this example, I'm going to click LinkedIn. You will notice that LinkedIn has opened and I have the option to share this link in a post or through a private message. First, let's click Send as Private Message. Now you can see what the link will look like when displayed, and you can also search for message recipients. And you can type out the message that you would like to send. And whenever you are ready, you can click the Send button in the bottom right-hand corner. Now let's look at sharing this in a post. You'll notice that my LinkedIn profile has appeared, and I can type whatever I want the post to be about. And then whenever you are ready, you can click Post in the bottom right-hand corner. Now let's take a look at where this links to. Go ahead and click on the link. You'll notice that the link takes you to the profile of the reviewer who left the review. You can see how many reviews they've published on bestcompany.com, video testimonials, and their reviewer level. You'll notice that the review that you have chosen to share on social media has been brought to the top of their profile, so whoever clicks on the link will see the review for your company. But if you scroll down, you can see all of the different reviews that this specific consumer has left on various profiles of bestcompany.com. That is the review sharing feature on the Snowball platform. If instead of linking to the reviewer's bestcompany.com profile to highlight the review that they left for your company, you would rather take this review, make it look really nice, download it as a PNG, and then share it to your social media accounts, please watch our video that explains how to use Snowball's social media asset builder. Hopefully this has been helpful. Good luck sharing reviews using the Snowball platform.